Hey guys, this is gonna be a very simple and short video. In this video I want to show you how to remove green screen from your video. For example, I have a green screen video of subscribe that you can use on YouTube. How do I take off this green screen? And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So first things first, you're going to take the footage and put it on your timeline like this. Keep existing settings, yes. And so this is the footage on the timeline. So I have to scale to frame, and as you can see, how do I remove this green screen? So what you need to do is to simply go to the effects tab on your Adobe. I'm just going to go straight to effects right here. Then in the effects tab, I'm going to click on color key. Okay, so that will be under keying. Then that's color key. I'm just going to drag and drop the color key on the footage on my timeline. Then I'll simply go right here to my effect control and then look for the color key. Now this is the color key right here. All I need to do is to just click on the dropper, and then I'm going to click on the footage like this, and then all you need to do is to increase your color tolerance, something like this, to fade off the green. You increase the color tolerance to fade off the green. Beautiful. Now you can also as well make your edges thinner by clicking on edge thin. If I just increase the edge thin like this, just to reduce or increase the thinness of the edges, but I'm just gonna leave it back at 0, and then you can feather the edge if you want to, just to feather, make it a bit shadowy in the edge. So but I'm still gonna leave that in 0. Basically, this is just what I want to show you, how to make sure you're removing the green screen. So now I can put this this footage on any image or any video and the green screen will not appear. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.